To create a transparent text effect in CapCut on your PC, start by importing your video onto the timeline. Add a text layer, type your desired text, and customize the font, color, and size. Duplicate your video clip and place the copy on the track above the original. Select this top video layer, go to Remove BG, and choose Auto Removal to isolate the subject from the background. Next, duplicate your text layer and move the copy to the topmost track. Select this top text layer, change its text color to black. Then enable stroke. Set the stroke color to white and adjust the stroke thickness to around 8 or 10. Right-click on this top text layer and choose Create Compound Clip. Finally, go to Video Basic Settings, find Blend Mode, and select Screen.